Hello, all you HellRazzors. I hope you're staying frosty out there, man. It's crazy. I got a special mixed drink for y'all today. We got our vodka, sweet vermouth, and grape juice. I know what you're thinking already. Grape juice for a mixed drink? Yes, grape juice. No, seriously. I'm going to teach y'all how to make a HellRazzor. Alright, I thought about this long and hard. That's what she said. But thought about this, and in all honesty, I was like, vodka's the way to go. Sweet vermouth, it's used in Manhattans, and it should be really good. What I'm gonna do is 2 ounces of vodka and an ounce and a half of this. And I got my ice right here, all ready up. So this one, you don't need to stir it. But if you got grape juice, it doesn't matter what type of grape juice you use, as long as grape juice is involved. Doesn't matter what type of vodka you use. I'd recommend Smirnoff for this one, or even Sky vodka. But right here, I got Platinum vodka. Alright, I got a big old thing of this, and this is actually pretty damn good vodka. And I got the Gallo Sweet Vermouth. It's, as you know, sweet. So first we're going to do our vodka. It's going to be kind of our base. This is not really easy to handle, I'll tell you that now. And we're going to pour the whatchamacallit up to about right there. And I'm going to add the sweet vermouth. Now, for all you newcomers to the channel, welcome. And if you want to try this at home, be more than happy to be obliged, is what I meant to say. I couldn't get the word. And this is how you make a HellRazzor. Look at that. Deep red. Just as I thought it would be. Let's give it a taste, because I've never made this concoction. So ooh, that tastes like wine. Not even gonna lie, that tastes like wine right there. Let me get another sip. That's a good sip right there. Oh yeah, that's good. That's delicious. Y'all need to try that ASAP. As soon as you see this video, click on it and try it, because that's some banger. That's a banger. Till next time, stay frosty. I got some more stuff coming each week. In the next 2 more weeks, expect a mixed drink video dropping. I don't know when I'm going to be getting out to do some ghost hunting. I was going to do red ash, but I may not do that, just because it's a little bit, it's about, I'd say about 40-minute drive from where I'm living. So I might hit another cemetery up. I don't know yet. I might go up to red ash, because it's kind of like a small deserted town. It was a coal mining town. So yeah, stick with it. Vote if you want to, whether you want to see red ash cemetery versus a regular cemetery. But in our last one, we didn't get too much activity besides the EMF detector spiking. But check it out. Till next time.